Shalom everyone, welcome to this channel again, and this time I'm going to share you a dessert that is good to go for the Feast of Unleavened Bread. The ingredients that we will be needing are avocados. Feel free to adjust the amount the way you like it to prepare, and then bananas, then grated young coconut. You can shred it with a shredder. You can scrape it with a spoon and then just slice it. And then coconut water, then raisins, strawberries. It's fine not to use this one, but if you want your fruit salad looks like colorful, then feel free to add strawberries. And then some kaong, and then my husband also bought me here some bottled grated makapuno, and then, but it's fine not to use this one. And then condensed milk. You can find all these ingredients in Woodman store. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. We're just going to mix all these ingredients. We're going to add bananas here, and then our grated young coconut, and then the coconut water. When you buy that whole coconut, there's already water there, so just don't spill it and then use it in your fruit salad. And then we're going to use raisins now. Okay. Okay. And then strawberries. And then makapuno and kaong, or this is what we call coconut gel. Put it here. By the way, before using your kaong or coconut gel, try to drain it first. And then we are just going to, I don't like so much condensed milk because I don't like things to be with too much sugar, and so I'm just going to use first a tablespoon of condensed milk and try to taste it. If the taste is already fine, then it's fine to use just a tablespoon of condensed milk. I'm going to try to taste it if it's good. It's fine, so it's fine to use a tablespoon, but some usually put a lot of condensed milk. I just don't like to be sugary, so I just use a tablespoon of condensed milk. So this is already done. So easy to prepare, good for the Feast of Unleavened Bread dessert. Thank you so much, and kindly give it a try. Until next time, yes, willing, shalom.